Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step demonstration on how to use the V8 Mini's PC software. Connect the machine to your computer via the included Type-C cable. Open the software on your computer. Click Connection to connect to the V8 Mini. Click Calibration to complete the machine positioning. Place the phone in the fixture and tighten the clamp. The software offers both laser decoding and laser engraving modes. Select decoding mode to choose between back cover or camera. Then, select the corresponding phone model and color and click Start Preview. Once confirmed, place the protective template and click Start to begin decoding. The process will complete automatically. Select Engraving mode, click Calibration to complete the machine positioning. The software comes with a variety of built V8 designs to choose from. You can perform actions like resizing, rotating, dragging, and more on the design. The top toolbar allows you to undo, redo, and perform other actions. The left-hand panel allows you to import patterns, create shapes or graphics, and more. Click on Image to import patterns from your computer. Click on Shape to draw graphics or designs. Click Text to enter or edit text. Click Hand Painted to use the pen tool for drawing patterns. Click Barcode to generate a QR code, allowing you to customize the data it contains. Click Clear to empty the current canvas. In the right side panel of the software, you can adjust the parameters of the selected design. Ensure the pattern fits entirely within the canvas boundaries. Click Start Preview to check if the laser path falls within the desired area of the material. If you need to adjust the position, first click Stop Preview, then drag the pattern or resize it within the software. After confirming the preview is correct, adjust the laser power to a suitable level based on your material. Then, click Start Engraving. Close the protective cover and wait for the machine to complete the process. Engraving complete. Let's take a look at the results.